and today I am here to teach you this chapter, Algebra. So there are so many questions that we will solve of Algebra. So let's begin our interesting and fantastic video. So we will do the questions of Algebra. So first question is, write down 7xy square into 3x square y into 5y raised to power 4 in the expanded form. So what we will do? First, there are three numbers, 3, 7, 3 and 5. So first we will multiply them. So we can write 105. So then we have to count that how many x are there. 1, then x square. So there are 2x. 1 plus 2x, 3x are there. And in this there is no x. So what we will write? X raised to power 3. Then we have to count that how many y are there. In this 2y and in this 1y. 2 plus 1, 3y. And then there is 4y. So 3 plus 4, 7y's. So we will write y raised to power 7. So the answer will be 105 x raised to power 3 y raised to power 7. So we will move towards our next question. Next question is, write 30x raised to power 4 and y raised to power 4 z raised to power 5 in the product form. If we have to write in product form, so what we will do? First, simply we have to write 30 and then we will use the sign of multiply. Then there are how many times? X is 4 times. We will write 4 times. X into x into x into x. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4x. Now there are 4y. So we will write into y into y into y and into y. Then there are 5z. So we will write there z into z into z into z into z into z. So the answer will be 30 into x into x into x into x into y into y into y into y into z into z into z into z into z. So this is the answer of this question. So we will move towards our next question. So next question will be, write 5 into a into a into b into b into b into c into d in expanded form. So what we will do? First, write down 5 as it is. Then count the number of a. 1, 2, 2. So we will write a square. Next, we have to count the number of b. 1, 2, 3. 3 b's are there. So b raised to power 3. Next, c and d. Only 1 are there. So what we will write? We can write it simply. So 5a square b raised to power 3 cd is the answer. So we will move towards our next question. And the next question is, write 2xy square in the expanded form. We have to write 2xy square in the expanded form. We will write 2 as it is. Into, there are xy square. So x is 2 times and y is also 2 times. We will write them 2 times. We have written. Then we will write y 2 times. So the answer will be 2 into x into x into y is the answer. So we will move towards our next question, and the next question is write the coefficient of x in 3x square y z. So first, you know that what the question is asking. The question is asking coefficient of x is. What is the coefficient of x? If we have to find coefficient of x, what we will do? First, x is equal to 3x square yz. Okay, then we will write it properly. 3x, x is 2 times yz. So the coefficient of x is 3xxyz, or we can also say that 3x square yz. So now we will move towards our next questions. So our next questions are, our sixth question is, if x is equal to 2, find the value of 2x plus 1. So what we will do? First, we have to write why we will write 2 into 2, because if there we will write the value of 2, so bracket will come, and bracket represents multiply. 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and 5 is the answer. Next, if perimeter of regular hexagon is x meters, length of each side. So regular hexagon is having 6 sides. Regular hexagon is having 6 sides. If the perimeter is of regular hexagon in x meters, so length of each side will be, first we will write x, and then there are 6 sides, so what we will do? If the perimeter we have to find, so we will divide it. X divided by 6 is answer. Our next question will be, one pencil cost is equal to rupees 2 and one fountain pen cost is rupees 50. Cost of X pencils and Y pens will be. So first, what we will write? One pencil, rupees 2x. One fountain, is equal to rupees 15y, is equal to, if we have to find its total, so what we will do? 2x plus 15y is the answer. So our next question will be, Amulya is x years. 5 years ago her age was. 5 साल पहले उसकी एज क्या थी? तो हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. इजी. So 5 years ago her age was. So what we will do? Now is. So my next question will be, Amulya is x years. 5 years ago her age was. So what we have to find? This is about the past. Before 5 years, what was her age? So first, now his age was x years. Before, if we have to find that before 5 years what was her age, so we will subtract from it. So x minus 5 years is the answer. So I hope that you like my video. So please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day.